Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings available in Visakhapatnam. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Coming to the jobs, first one, there is a job opening is available in Conco and they are looking for digital marketing executive. Coming to the requirements, enough expertise on running e-commerce ads on various platforms to drive leads and sales to the website, should have enough knowledge on preparing Excel sheets for analysis of the ads budget spent. If the person knows to make ad creatives too, it will be a boon on selecting them. And these are the requirements. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next, there is a job opening is available in Vishap.com. They are looking for online business manager or virtual assistants. Coming to the job profile, an online business manager or virtual assistant at Vishap is a remote full-time employee that works for and is trained by Vishap and is deployed to engage with one or more US-based clients. The role is remote and full-time, and the role would require working in the US timing zone. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, as an online business manager, the candidates have to work closely with one or more clients on either one or all of the following tasks. They are e-commerce assistance, project management, advanced Excel and MIS reporting, CRM and lead management, online research, lead generation, execute assistance. Requirements: at least 2 years of full-time employment experience, a stable career employment track record, impeccable written and spoken English, an aptitude for mathematics and logic, a solid experience in resolving work conflict situations, an ability to be constantly self-driven and organized. And coming to the prerequisites, and they have high-speed internet connection, laptop with an integrated camera and a pair of headphones, and distraction-free workplace, and with zero external interference, and ability to work with US time. Coming to the work shift, it will be from Monday to Friday, that is from between 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. or Monday to Friday, that is from 9:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. And coming to the salary, up to 30% hike will be, and maximum salary offered is 63.7k per month. And interested candidates can mail your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening available in Ancient India Organics, and they are looking for business development associate, and job type will be permanent and experience will be 1.5 years and above. Coming to the job description, team player who has the ability to maintain strong relationships, communicate effectively across different mediums and negotiate fiercely, play a key role in acquiring the right set of clients from domestic organic industry, execute high value sales activities defined by process, resourcing, networking, lead generation and qualifying, prospecting, approaching, giving elaborate demos or presentations and closing prospects, outbound communication to target audience or in email or presentation or attending webinars, and secure meetings with the clients. Ability to understand client problems and craft solutions or customization with internal teams, maintain records of day-to-day work by updating tracking list and circulating to the internal management members, execute the established business development plan with a go-getter attitude, and identify opportunities, create and introduce new ideas for business growth, and must be good in industry mapping and must have strong communication skills, both written and verbal, and computer knowledge must have knowledge on Microsoft Office and Excel. Coming to the selecting procedure, telephonic interview and follows. People having sales or operations experience will be an advantage. Coming to the qualifications, BBA or MBA or BTech or MTech or equivalent, preferably in sales, business development, having agri background. And coming to the salary as per the industry standards, and local candidates are preferred, and interested candidates can mail your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next, there are job openings are available in Growth Central VC. They are looking for SME intern, and it will be work from home. Starts immediately. Duration will be 1 to 2 weeks internship, and no stipend available, that is unpaid internship. It is unpaid internship, and flexible working hours are there, and they will provide certificate letter of recommendation, and there are 5 openings are there. And coming to the skills, MS Office Word and English proficiency, written, creative and passionate. Coming to the responsibilities, intern has to create assessments on different topics of their choice. All the questions in the assessments need to be created by the intern or not by the internet. An example, if your area of expertise in mathematics, you can create assessments on integral statistics, trigonometry, etc. like that. And likewise, interns can choose any topic as per their expertise. Some other topics can be Facebook ads, SQL, data science, etc. can be beyond this list too. An interested candidate can apply for this intern by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Appen. They are looking for web search evaluator. It will be part-time. And coming to the requirements, have a smartphone, Gmail address and pass a qualification exam. Minimum work requirements will be 10 to 15 hours per week. Pass all service level checks. Telugu speaker living in India are preferred, and it will be work from home with flexible hours. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next, there is a job opening available in JASP Labs India Private Limited. They are looking for digital marketing executive SEO. Coming to the responsibilities and duties, prior experience in content marketing, content growth and SEO, experience with search engine optimization practices and website optimization tools, outstanding ability to think creatively, strategically and identify and resolve problems, develop and manage digital marketing campaigns, optimize content for the website and social networking channels. Coming to the key skills, SEO, digital marketing, SEO tools, and coming to the required experience and qualifications, 2 to 4 years of experience is required. Reviewing and analyzing client sites for areas that can be improved and optimized. Identifying powerful keywords to drive the most valuable traffic. Track the website traffic flow and provide internal reports regularly, and prepare detailed strategy reports. And writing powerful calls to action to convert visitors. And these are the required experience and qualifications, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next, there is a job opening available in invest.in, and they are looking for digital marketing fresher, and the ideal candidate will expand the company's brand presence by finding the target audience to distribute marketing content to, and the candidates will create and implement the marketing strategy using both offline and online methods to gain new customers. The ideal candidate is both a self-motivated and individual and a positive team player. And coming to their responsibilities, plan and execute digital marketing campaigns, writing SEO friendly articles, monitor and analyze the effectiveness of marketing content, develop and manage social media content, find and target audiences. And coming to the qualifications, content creation skills, excellent communication and organization skills, and knowledge on digital marketing, and any graduate. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is job opening available in Forum Business Research. They are looking for patient care coordinator. Coming to the responsibilities and duties, they are looking to recruit young dynamic candidates for the role of patient care executive, research specialist, and who are at the core of what they do, and they are a critical element in the solutions delivering process. Research specialists walk the corridors of the hospitals that they work with on a daily basis and communicate with the patients and collect their experience. The role involves speaking to the patients, understanding their experiences, and capturing this into a mobile application on a handheld tablet or a mobile phone. Coming to the required experience, skills, and qualifications, fresher graduates of any discipline with a pleasing personality are welcome to apply, and ability to speak in English, Telugu, and Hindi mandatory, and candidates with a background in psychology and hospitality will be preferred, and female candidates will be preferred. And coming to the salary, it will be 50,000 per month, and it is a full-time job, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next, there is a job opening available in Fairfield in Unsourced by Marriott. They are looking for associate Marcon, and it is a full time, and position type will be non-management. Coming to the position summary, process all reservation requests, changes and cancellations received by phone, fax or mail, identify guest reservation needs and determine appropriate room type, verify availability of room type and rate, explain guarantee special rate and cancellation policies to callers, accommodate and document special requests, and answers questions about property facilities or services and room accommodations, follow sales techniques or to maximize revenue, input and access data in reservation system, indicate special room reservation types, and that is complimentary rooms, employee discounts, travel agent inspection rates, and wholesale reservations like that by inputting the correct code and rate into the reservation system, and follow proper escalation procedures when addressing guest concerns. And this is a position summary. Interested candidates can apply to this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bayer. They are looking for marketing executive, and it is belongs to pharmaceuticals. And coming to the position purpose, the medical representative has responsibilities like to promote Bayer products to healthcare professionals and other relevant targets and groups to meet or exceed sales targets for assigned products within the allocated territory, to execute customer engagement excellence, focusing on executing in clinic promotion, leveraging patient focused interactions, and implement of clinic promotional activities assigned to specific target customers and thereby improve customer relationship, and to adhere to local regulations, industry and company policies and code of conduct. And this is the position purpose. And coming to the roles and responsibilities, achieve sales volume growth, market share, and listening uh, targets for assigned brands, plans orchestrate and execute HCP engagements aligned with MCCP by tailored patient-focused interactions using right content based on HCP needs and priorities, report customer engagement activities in Viva CRM and take advantage of all available functionality for enhancing customer interaction and experiences, and monitor and communicate competition activity to manager FLSN management to reflect market dynamics and potential contracts. And coming to the requirements, bachelor's degree in any discipline or any advanced qualifications is a place, minimum 2 to 3 years of pharmaceutical sales experience with a demonstrated performance track record, strong interpersonal communication and team skills are required, IT literacy or basic knowledge and skills to utilize computers or tablets and related technology efficiently, and excellent command both oral and written of local native language and English language skills are a plus. Energetic, enthusiastic, self-driven, organized and willing to work extensively in field, and these are the requirements, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.